Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, how many 1/2s are there in 12? Now, to find the number of 1/2s in 12, we need to divide 12 by 1/2s. Now, multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So, 12 into 2 divided by 1/2 into 2 will be 12 into 2 means 24 divided by 1/2 into 2 means 1. So, it is 24. Hence, there are 24 1/2s in 12.